it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. And today I have got one of the card kits that I sent out to my November shoppers. Anyone who shops with me in November in a month and uses the host code gets 2 card kits as part of the thank you from me. So they get a thank you card that I've already made. They get 2 card kits and they get a thank you gift if they've used the host code. If they haven't used the host code, then they still get the card and the gift. And if you've placed a qualifying order, you also get the product gift, which for November was a clear wink of Stella. All the details of my December special offer are over on my website, and you can find the link to that in the description bar below the video. So, in the card kit for this card, we have got a piece of polished pink cardstock, a piece of the Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper, and I'm sorry, but we're using this side. I mean, it's pretty that side, but we're using this side. There's also a piece of the paper that's got the parcels on. You just need to cut those out. And there's also a strip of paper with the candy cane stripe on, as well as these embellishments, which are the clear and silver epoxy shapes, which are in the annual catalogue. So all we need to do is to pop our Designer Series paper onto our polished pink. And I have to say, sometimes I put the adhesive on my mat, sometimes I put it on my Designer Series paper. Generally speaking, I find it easier to hold something that isn't sticky and stick it to something that is, rather than the other way around, because you've got more movement. So we can just line this up where we want it. The measurements are all over on my website, and as I say, the link for that is below in the description bar. This piece of Designer Series paper I'm just going to pop across, and I want it about there. So I'm just going to add some seal, it's the ordinary seal, on there. And I've put more than I need on, as in more length than I need, so that I can then just trim it to size. So I'm going to go there to there, just press it down, pull up, and actually it's exactly the right amount. So just trim the ends off. Now if you want, you can leave those on until you've popped this onto your card and have this strip going all the way across to the edge of the card if you would rather. But for me, I'm perfectly happy to do it this way. So I've got my bits of parcel, and I have cut round the holly leaves, and if there's a bow, I would suggest you cut round the bow. So all I'm going to do is to pile these up just kind of where I want them, just a little bit over the strip. Now this is actually a half piece. I say a half piece, it's not a complete parcel. The ones that are in the kits are complete parcels, but I thought I could pop that one in behind so no one will know. And then we can have that one there, and this one possibly there, and this one there. And I don't mind if they are higgledy-piggledy, but what I do want is for some dimension. So I am going to put some dimensionals on the back of some of these. So this one, for example, will get dimensionals. And just overlap it onto that strip of candy cane just a little bit. I'll probably change where everything is now that I've moved everything. So this I want behind a parcel because it's cut. Now, as I say, in the kits they are complete parcels, so you don't need to worry. Come on, up you come. I think that one I might have raised, so let's see, let's have that one behind there. You don't need a lot of seal for these. They are just bits of paper, so it's not they're not weight bearing. And I say, I don't necessarily want them to be straight. A bit higgledy-piggledy is quite nice. And then I might pop, let's see, that one. And then that one. Or maybe, I think I'll pop that one there, and then this one popped up. And no one will know that that's hanging in the breeze because we're going to cover it up. So a couple of dimensionals. Oops. Let's have that one at a bit of an angle as well so we can see this. Like that. Don't need those anymore. Bring in my piercing tool, my take your pick, and we can pop. Let's see, let's have one just in there. And one. I might put that one in under there. And then this one we can have down in this corner just on that stripe there. Just so there's a bit of a triangle. I do like my triangles. If you've watched me before, you will know I like my triangles. Now I've already folded my card base in half, and I'm just going to add some liquid adhesive to the back and pop that onto our card base. Now if you want to add a sentiment, absolutely you can. Now because these are going out as gifts to my customers, I'm not allowed to send stamped images so as part of a kit, so there is no sentiment, but you could add a sentiment maybe down here if you want, or right the way up the top there, or just pop it on the inside. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you don't already, and then you'll get notified when I upload videos in the future. I always do live videos twice a week, on Tuesday morning at 11 o'clock UK time, Thursday afternoon 3 p.m. UK time, and I normally do a live for about an hour. So if you would like to come along and join in, please do. We have a great time chatting away because there's live commentary going on that I can read and comment back to, and we have a real laugh. So if you'd like to come along, please do. Thank you very much indeed for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!